How many Gulab Jamuns have you eaten in your life? Can you give an estimation?
No, you don't count Gulab Jamun, Paul. You eat a lot, but you don't count in life.
Today on Schmindian, we are testing the 5 most popular Gulab Jamun recipes on YouTube. Let's go. Welcome to Schmindian. I'm your host, Paul Singh, and this is my dad. Dad, say hi.
Yeah. Sorry.
We are testing Gulab Jamun recipes today.
Gulab Jamun recipe. Yes.
These are the 5 most popular Gulab Jamun recipes on YouTube.
Yes, I see that. It's almost 100+ million altogether.
Let's try that. Let's go least popular to most popular.
Yeah, maybe that's a good idea.
First up, we have Shravani's Kitchen. This Gulab Jamun has 14 million views and was uploaded 5 years ago. Let's try it. This is the one that was made from the store-bought instant Gulab Jamun mix.
Oh.
All right, let's try that.
Let's try that?
Yep.
That's this one here?
Yeah, this one. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty
soft.
soft. Pretty soft. The syrup is kind of soaked into it, which is good. And also uniform. You know.
It does taste pretty good.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Are you going to eat the whole thing? I might eat the whole thing.
No, you go ahead. I think I have to eat all of them too.
So final verdict, pretty good.
I think it's good.
A spoon there. That was a pretty strong start, I think that.
Yeah, it is. The morning is a good start.
Next we have Cooking with Saria. This is a bread Gulab Jamun and it has 15 million views and was uploaded 4 years ago. Let's try it. This one is 15 million views.
Yeah.
This was also the person who misrepresented themselves with the title. They said 10 minutes, 2 ingredients. But it took longer than 10 minutes and there was more than 2 ingredients.
I think so, because it could be around 8 or 10 ingredients.
Yeah.
And I would say about 20 minutes or so. I don't know why they do that.
Well, it worked. It got a lot of views.
Yeah, it did.
This is the first of the bread Gulab Jamun.
Let's try what it says.
Okay, let's try it.
It's softer than the other one. And also it's kind of breaks it easily because made of bread or something.
It does taste like kind of bready.
It does.
Yeah.
Not as much sweet as the other one too.
Also true, yeah. Not bad.
No,
Not bad. It's okay.
It's still good.
Yeah.
And other than, obviously the texture is different because made of bread. And
it's not as soft as this one.
Yeah. But it tastes pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next up is Kabita's Kitchen. This is another bread Gulab Jamun. It has 25 million views and it was uploaded 9 years ago. Let's try it.
It looks good. Like this one is a little smaller than the first one. And the color looks good. You want to try it?
Let's try it. Oh, it's very soft.
Well, did you say it's made of bread also?
Also bread, yeah.
Yeah, its texture is same. The taste also is kind of bready taste. Because it's kind of breaking like a bread.
Yeah, it tastes like bread.
It tastes like bread.
It seems a bit more sweeter than this one.
Yeah, I think that may be just the syrup thing.
Right.
Possible, I'm not sure. It's almost same, not too different, but slightly more sweeter.
Yeah.
Than the second one.
Very similar.
Very similar. Yeah. But the texture is same, the breaking is same. But it tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Let's try the chop. Okay. Next we have Priyanka Kitchen Zone. This Gulab Jamun has 38 million views and was uploaded 2 years ago. Let's try it. Moving along, this is number 2 Gulab Jamun. So this has 38 million views. It was uploaded 2 years ago, so it's only 2 years old.
Did you say 2 years?
Yeah, look, this is right there. 2 years.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Must be, people must like it.
I guess so.
In 2 years, 38 million. And this was 9 years, 25 million.
Yeah.
Has to be something very good.
All right, should we try it?
Yeah, I think we should
try it out.
since 38 million people viewed it.
Yeah. Oh, it's very firm.
Yeah.
I don't really like this one, Dad. It's not very soft.
No, maybe it's cooked too much.
Think so?
Well, it's a little harder inside.
Yeah.
You notice that?
Yeah, it's not very soft.
No. Taste isn't too bad. Taste is okay. But I think it's...
Texture's not good.
yeah, texture is not that great, and also the syrup hasn't kind of soaked into it.
Yeah, but it's been soaking for several days, though.
Oh. So maybe it's something the way the dough is made and fried. I'm not sure. But maybe it's the recipe this way. Maybe it's supposed to be this way. I'm not sure.
I don't know. It's not to my taste, I feel.
No, it's kind of...
It's not very soft.
No, it's not very soft.
Not very flavorful.
No, it's okay, but not that great.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I think so far, it's my least favorite so far.
So far, yes, I agree.
Yeah.
It's the least of the four.
Yeah. Okay. And now for our final Gulab Jamun. This was made by Bharat's Kitchen, and it was uploaded 6 years ago and has 42 million views. Let's try it. Okay, Dad. This is the most popular Gulab Jamun video.
Last one, huh?
Yeah, this one has 42 million views. This is the most popular Gulab Jamun recipe on YouTube.
But that was in 2 years, 39 million.
Yeah. This still doesn't have as many views.
No, but who knows, in 6 years that might be even surpass 42 million.
Maybe. But as of right now, this is the most popular.
Yeah. It looks pretty good from outside, like it's pretty round.
Yeah.
The color is good.
Yep.
No, it's not too dark, it's not too yellow. So it looks pretty good.
Good looking Gulab Jamun.
Yeah, should we try it?
Okay, let's try. Well, it's very firm.
Tastes really good, though.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Nice texture, tastes good. The sweetness is really perfect in this one.
Yeah.
Now,
You have to decide which one we think is the best.
let's go back how we did all this, right?
Yeah.
So this one we had Gulab Jamun made from the package. Now these two are made with bread, right?
Yes.
And this is the one they said 2 ingredients with 10 minutes or something like that.
Yes.
Now two did taste like a bready thing, like you could taste the bread and there.
Yeah.
And it didn't have that texture like that one there.
Right.
Maybe it's because of bread, that's how the texture is softness inside and there. That one made of Suzy, I think.
Yeah.
And it didn't cook right. Looks like hard inside and not soaked with that one there, if I remember correctly.
But we soaked it for several days, so I don't know.
I know what happened. Maybe it's the recipe, I don't know.
I don't know. Something went wrong there.
And that's made of milk and ghee and
Milk
more
powder.
like a preparing koa or something like that.
Yeah.
I didn't like these two very much made of bread myself.
Me neither. I didn't like it.
So, and I didn't like that one made of Suzy. Maybe it's the recipe or something, but it didn't come out that good.
Right.
And then we are left with these two here.
Yep.
Like that one, number 1 and number 5.
Yep.
So comparing those two, this one is a premix, came in with, we don't know what's in the premix, possibly everything. So if we eliminate those three and use those two to compare each other, that one tasted really good to me. And also the texture itself, on balance between those two, I would go with that one there.
Okay, so this is your
I like
favorite.
that one there because more tastier, more texture better, the soaking of the syrup into it.
Yep.
I would go with that one there as the top. Maybe after that, this one, and then these follow.
But it's me similar between this one and this one.
Yeah.
For you, YouTube was correct. The most popular one is the best one. It works for you.
Yeah. That's 42 million or something.
Yeah. I think I like the instant one the best. I think it's very close between
You like this one?
this one and this one are very close, but here's the thing. I was very hungry when I started, and I think that may have played a role.
Okay.
So when I ate it, I really liked it a lot, but I was very hungry as well.
Yeah.
I was less hungry when I ate this one.
Yeah. I like that one there myself because I thought that was more tastier than that one there.
Yeah.
Now this one has the advantage that you're only using a package, so you don't have to work that hard and longer in preparation.
Yeah.
And you could still have close Gulab Jamun close to each other.
Yeah.
So I guess it depends on sometimes individual taste and liking.
Yeah.
So if you like that and I like that, they're most kind of close. So we say that they're equal, or at least I like that one, but you like that one.
We agree these are the two best.
Yes.
We're in agreement with that.
Between the five, those two are best.
Yeah. I think this one for me was a little bit better than this one.
Okay.
But it could be just because I was hungry.
Oh,
that's possible.
Well, could be.
You know? But you were not hungry, so maybe you were correct, and this is the best.
Well, I guess.
Also, how many Gulab Jamuns have you eaten in your life? Can you give an estimation?
No, you don't count Gulab Jamun, Paul. You eat a lot, but you don't count in life.
Why don't you count? Okay, is it more than 1,000?
Oh yes.
More than 5,000?
Yeah, I'm 70 years old, so if I ate even 10 a year, or 100 a year.
100? You ate 100 Gulab Jamuns a year for 70 years?
That's maybe eating 2 every week or so, right? Every day.
You're not eating 2 Gulab Jamun per week. Come on, Dad.
Well, when you were young.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when you're a student, you're young, living in the hostel, residence.
Yeah.
You eat a lot of fruit, a lot of sweets.
You've eaten a lot of Gulab Jamuns in your life.
Did.
In different countries, in different places, made by different people. So you have a good idea about Gulab Jamun.
Well, I have my views.
Okay, Dad. So I think that's it. Anyway, any final thoughts about Gulab Jamun, Dad?
Every Gulab Jamun have its uniqueness, and depending upon your own taste and what you're looking for, you could go for it.
Okay.
But myself, I think that's the best because it's more like a Koa thing. Koa may give you a different taste and everything.
Okay. All right, that's it. That's the end of the video, unless you have anything more to say.
No, that's great and good. You must have spent a lot of time preparing these things.
Well, we did them together, Dad.
We did? Okay.
We spent several days.
No, I forgot. Yeah. No, not too bad, actually. That's what it is. I forgot that, quite an effort to make all of them.
It was quite an effort to make all of them.
Yeah.
But we got through it.
Yeah.
I guess we can encourage people to try them themselves, and then in the comments they can comment which one they like the most.
Yeah. I think people, having known that there are 4 or 5 and we made them, and they can try themselves and see what the results are.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. But the most important thing is that people should try Gulab Jamun if you have not tried Gulab Jamun. We recommend trying Gulab Jamun.
Yeah, no, they should.
Yes.
They should.
It's a good thing to eat.
Yeah. That's all I have to say.
Okay. This has been Schmindian, and we just tested the 5 most popular Gulab Jamun recipes on YouTube. Like and subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll be back with some more. Have a good day.
Good Paul.
That's it. Okay. Okie dokie, Dad. That's the video. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Good job.